Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will take a look at this Whirlpool freestanding electric range. We will show you how to test, remove, and replace your infinite switch. To begin this repair, you must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a voltmeter. With the unit turned around, what we need to do is remove this bottom middle panel. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws. After you have removed these, slide down and pull out and set it aside. Next, remove the top panel by taking out all of the Phillips screws around the perimeter. Our last screw, hold on to the plate so it doesn't fall. Carefully pull out from the bottom and slide down and set it aside. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our small element infinite switch. Now the main reason why you'd be replacing this infinite switch is if your burner will not ignite, or you could be having a problem whereas when you turn your burner on, it could be shorting out the system and popping your breaker. Now to test your infinite switch, the first thing you want to do is remove your wiring harnesses. At this point, do a visual inspection, see if there's any burn marks, any cracks anywhere on the infinite switch. Now to test out your infinite switch, set your meter to ohms. I will set my meter to an audible tone, so if we have continuity, you should hear a noise. Now at this point, turn your element on high, and you'll want to go between H1 and L1, and then H2 and L2. We do have continuity that is between H2 and L2, and we have proper continuity between L1 and H1. Now if the element is turned off, you will notice there is no continuity. So this infinite switch is testing out good, but today we will show you how to replace it. Now to start, you want to remove your knob. Next, we have 2 Phillips screws that are holding on your infinite switch. Remove your screws, gently pull out and set aside. To install your new infinite switch, slide it in the designated area and hand tighten one of the screws to hold it on. Reinstall your second screw. And we will go ahead and tighten the top one. Next, gently reinstall your wiring harness and your second harness. Put your knob back on. Now we can reinstall our back cover. When reinstalling your top panel, first, very carefully, is extremely sharp, slide it in at an angle, and the middle should go underneath these slotted areas. You may have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it perfect. Hold it and reinstall your first screw. Once this is installed, go to the other side, line it up, and reinstall our second screw. Now, go around the perimeter and reinstall the others. Now we can reinstall our bottom plate. When reinstalling your back cover, you'll notice it does have these 4 tabs that correspond with the notches in the back. Slide them in. Once all 4 are in, push up and reinstall the 2 bottom screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.